Let's start installing the front wheel. During the installation process, you must align the front wheel with the disc and the brake caliper. Align it to the hook of the front roller. Then install the quick release. There are 2 springs and 2 hook washers. Thread it from right to left. During threading, the washer must be stuck in the hole. Do the same on the side. And then tighten it. After adjusting the wheel, tighten the quick release. And then push it down hard. If you can't get it by hand, you could use a hammer to gently tap it into place. We should regularly check this for any looseness. If it's loose, tighten it right away to avoid any accidents.